Happy quarantine, everybody. Let's take a look at how we can make a screen recording on our MacBooks using the QuickTime app. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to find the QuickTime app. And to do that, we're going to go to Finder. And if you go to Applications, you'll see, if you look around a little bit, that the QuickTime icon shows up. Now, I prefer to have this icon down in my home dock because I'm going to be accessing it very regularly throughout the next couple weeks. You don't have to do that. You can continue to move forward by just finding it in your Finder. But if you do want it in your dock, which I would recommend, I'm just going to drag the icon down into my dock, and you'll see that it makes some room for it. And I'm just going to let it go. This is preferred, and I'll show you why as we continue throughout the video. Now, there's two ways I can access this menu. I can click the icon once with one finger, and that will pop up in the top left corner. The QuickTime menu is not going to show up on your screen like other apps traditionally will when you click on them. It's going to show up in the top left corner. You can also click it once, but with two fingers, and your menu is going to pop up here. Now, that same menu, if you click it once with one finger, will show up when you hit the File option. I'm going to do the two-finger, one-click route moving forward, and I'm going to click it once with two fingers, and I'm going to hit the option New Screen Recording. If I click that, you'll pop up with this option here. Now, as I'm speaking, you see my volume bar kind of comes in, goes away. That says that it's picking up my voice. Now, if your screen recording button does not have that happen, there's a little arrow to the right of the record button that you want to click. And when you click that, it's going to say use internal microphone. If you want your voice to be picked up over your recording, you're going to want to have to use that internal microphone. If you don't want your voice, then just leave the microphone off. Now, from this point, I want my voice in this video, so I'm going to leave the microphone on, and I'm going to click my record button. Now, this screen pops up. Your recording does not start until you click your computer screen once, and now your screen is recording. So if I want to show you how I can open my Safari, well, there we go. And then I'm going to X out of this, and I am done with my screen recording. Quick lesson. I'm going to go to my QuickTime icon, and I'm going to click once with two fingers. That screen pops up, and there's now an option that says Stop Screen Recording. I'm going to click that. And you'll see this is my recording. And now your screen is recording. So you can see that my voice came through, and I was able to record what was on my screen while also recording my voice. To save this video, I'm going to hit the X, and I'm going to title this video. And I want to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to save. And there it is. So by hitting that red X, it allows me to save it, and then it gets rid of it. You can also have gone to the File option, and you can hit Save by going that route as well. And it'll pop up with the same screen.